Oh, no. Everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for tuning in, and this is the recap video. Everything that we have unboxed this past week. Here it is. Everything from Hot Wheels to Micro Machines to these cards, the Tops cards, collectors. So we've unboxed a lot of things. Also from, like I said, cards to micro toys to car ships to character cars and to the Diecast ships, the ones that are on the back. So yeah, let's check them out real quick and see which ones we've unboxed in the past week. And if you haven't checked them out, please check out all the videos. I will leave right there in the top a little eye in the sky with the playlist for all the videos. So if you want to go back and watch me unbox them. Yeah, so here it is. Let's take a good glance of it, starting over here. And when we open up for Instagram from the Rebel Strike, I think it's the Rogue One, I think, I'm not too sure. Here we got X-Wing, Pose X-Wing, a TIE Fighter, the Millennium Falcon in a car ship. We got over here the Pose X-Wing fighter. We got General Grievous. We got the Snow Speeder in a die-cast ship. We got a Boba Fett character car. We got the Y-Wing fighter. We got a Stormtrooper character car, which looks pretty weird, cool. We got a TIE fighter that's broken up here. That had an accident. There's a Micro Millennium Falcon, a Micro TIE fighter, a TIE fighter car ship, which is really cool. I like that one. There's the X-Wing, and we got a Pose X-Wing right there, the real thing. That one looks really cool. We got the Naboo fighter. We got Rey's speeder. We got the Star Destroyer right there, a Millennium Falcon, of course, TIE fighter, and the Rogue One. Is it the animated series? So there it is, very cool. And here we got the cards that we got on our Denny's visit. This was from a 2-pack, so it's 2 cards and then 2 cards. And yeah, here we got Chewie. We got this character right there, Therm Scissor Punch. I don't know. This is from the Solo movie, so I have no orientation on who they are. L337. There we go. And here we have Argus 6 Eyes Panox. There it is, that character. I guess these are new characters, or maybe they're old characters from the movie. So if any of y'all are gonna go see the Solo movie, or have seen it already, because it's already out. Repeat, it's out. I want to go see it. I want to go check it out. But hey, who knows? So far, I don't know what's gonna go down. But I couldn't forget about our R2-D2 that we found, our Micro Machine R2-D2, and the Snow Speeder and Chewbacca right there. Yeah, our mini Chewbacca. So yeah, we can't forget about that. We also got that. That's what we unboxed with everything else. So there it is. That is all the collection that we have for today. From Micro Machines to Tops to Hot Wheels. Yeah, and the final test is for Noah to play with all of them. So here's Noah. And thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, no. Tira. Wow. Dale, agárralo. ¿Cuál te gusta? Mira, estos están chiquititos. Yeah, baby. Otro baby. ¿Cuál te gusta? ¿Cuál te gusta más? ¿Cuál de todos te gusta? ¿Cuál es de Noah? Oh. Diles bye, Noah. Goodbye.